I'm Gemma.
I'm Charmel.
I'm Jayla.
And I'm Talia.
And we're RTV News.
Hey Wolverines! Our last home football game is going to be next week on October 13th, and that is also senior night for cheer and football, so please come out and support us. One last thing, the Blue Zoo is going to be pink out, so please show up with your pink. And... Hello? Wait, what time is it? Time for Tip with T!
Yeah, it's time for Tip with T. Today is 92 degrees, meaning it's hot outside, so I hope you brought some water. But tomorrow is going to be a whopping 93 degrees. Bring your water, pull out the shorts, and stay cool.
Hey Wolverines, if you join Key Club during Club Rush, there is a mandatory meeting today right after school in E109.
Hey Wolverines, are you interested in buying a yearbook from 2023 to 2024? I got you. Now is your chance. The yearbook is $65 up until October 13th, so you should get it. If you'd like it, go to www.jostens.com or the QR code above me.
And congratulations to girls volleyball, all levels, for their sweep against Galt on Monday.
Hey seniors, college application season is now. So every Thursday at lunch you can go to room A139 and there will be college application workshop with your counselors. So don't wait to apply for college because UC's and CSU's deadline is November 30th.
Wolverines, are you interested in joining Medical Club? Today during lunch in room C218, Medical Club will be holding their second meeting, so feel free to stop by and join.
Hey Wolverines, there will be a Volleyball Blue Zoo next Monday the 9th against Union Mine. The theme is Western, and we want to see you there. Frosh is at 4:30, JV is at 5:30, and Varsity is at 6:30.
That's all the news we have for today.
Thanks for watching. Bye!